That'd be nice to get in there, but I charged my wheel up so much I probably have a bunch of braking beeps.
I got some air off that one 49 had a feature there. Enough to get a bit of a tire chirp.
Yeah. Good old tire chirp. Alright, let's head out to Arbor Hill and see if we can make it there and back.
Oh yeah. I have no idea where that is, so I'm following you.
Alright, man. Yeah, I'm thinking about the map in my head right now. I was gonna hop up right there, but let's just get up, I guess, right here. Okay. Did not expect that. Little burnout there. Little burnout. I'm adjusting my feet. I'm making a lot of adjustments here. I rode the D11 last night, and I don't know why, but when I ride another wheel and I come back to the Patton, it kind of messes me up. So I gotta kind of like get used to the wheel again. Although they're not that much different, just enough. It didn't rain out here, so we'll see how it goes. So we gotta go together. Yeah. There you go. He's on the street tire and he's still taking How you liking your Lynx?
I like the Lynx. Alright, good.
That's cool, buddy. Do you find yourself like wanting to grab it before the Patton most of the time, or I mean, it is a new wheel, so
Yeah, it's a new wheel. I just went over 1,000,000 meters yesterday.
oh wow.
Yeah. So I've been putting some miles on it.
Translate that for us. 1,000,000 meters,
1,000 kilometers, 662 miles.
662 miles.
Yeah.
I think I'm at like 500, probably 75 or so. So you're already
Yeah,
past
you're
me.
getting close to that million mark on your route.
Yeah. All right, we'll keep it going.
Let's go. Don't waste your life, man. I know a lot of people that are scared they gon' die. Couple of them thinking they'll be living in the sky. While I'm here living, man, I gotta ask why. What am I here for? I gotta figure out. Waste my life, no, I gotta make it count. If Christ is real, then what am I gonna do about everything in Luke 12:15? Now to 21, you really gotta go and check it out. Paul said, if Christ ain't resurrected, we wasted our lives. But that implies that our life's built around Jesus being alive. Every day I live, trying to show the world why Christ is more than everything it ever try. Better than pretty women sitting and living to get a minute of any women a minute you admire. It ain't no lie, we created for him. Out of the dust, he made us for him. Alexa said he saved us for him. Jesus comes and he breaks us for him. Magnify the Father, our Father was something lesser. He made us so we could bless him. To the world we confess him, resurrect him. So I know I got life. Matter of fact, better man, I know I got Christ. You don't see his ways in my days and my nights. You can hit my brakes, you can stop my life. When I lost my rights, lost my life. Forget the money, cause the toss that ice. The cost is Christ. They can never offer me anything on the planet that will cost that price. Yeah.
Don't wanna waste my life. 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 Don't wanna waste my life.
Check it. Listen, I'm them dangerous. So the devil just can't hang with us. Christian youth, them a stand with us. Living a driven, giving a vision, fulfilling the commission he handed us. London to Los Angeles, the rap evangelist. My daddy wouldn't abandon us.
I got a backpack full of jets and I give a Johnny Max.
So are you ready to jam with us? So let's go. Give me the word and let's go. Persecution, let's go. Tribulation, let's go. Across the nation, let's go. Procrastination, let's go. Hung on the cross in the code. Down for the young and the old. Can't say you never know. Heaven knows how many souls are going to hell and to heaven. So we gotta go in and get them.
Don't wanna waste my life. 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 Don't wanna waste my life.
Shuffle, yeah, do it for Christ. You trying to figure out what to do with your life. You make a lot of money, hope you're doing it right. Because the money is God, you better steward it right and stay focused. You ain't got no ride, your life ain't wrapped up in what you drive. The clothes you wear, the job you work, the color of your skin, now you're Christian first. People get to living for a job, make a little money, start living for a car. Get them a wife, a house, kids, and a dog. When they retire, they're living high on the home. But guess what, they didn't never really live it all. To live is Christ, and that's Paul, I recall. To die is gain, so for Christ we give it all. He's the treasure you never find in them all. See your money, your singleness, marriage, talent, your time. They belong to you to show the world that Christ is divine. That's why it's Christ in my rhyme. That's why it's Christ all the time. See, my whole world is built around him. He's the life in my life. I refuse to waste my life. He's too true to chase that ice. Here's my gift of time, cause I'm constantly trying to be used to praise the Christ. If he's truly raised to life, then this news should change your life. If by his grace you can put your faith in a place that rules your days and nights. Yes.
Gotta get you. Don't wanna waste my life. Even when days waste my life. Gotta lay it for. Don't wanna waste my life. Don't wanna something to show. Don't wanna waste my life. Gotta get you. Don't wanna waste my life. Even when days waste my life. Gotta lay it for. Don't wanna waste my life. Don't wanna something to show. Don't wanna waste my life.
Go hard, 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 home, go home, go home, go home, go home, go home, go home.
Go home, 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 go home. Lord, use me, 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 Lord.
Lord, kill me if I don't preach the gospel. Still in my 20s, but I die if I got it. Man, I'm already dead. Might forget my flesh. I done been crossed over. See the full court press. I'm a full court mess if the Lord don't use me. Running from my trials, thinking everything's groovy. If the cross don't move me, then I don't wanna breathe no more. If I ain't seeing Christ, partner, I don't wanna see no more. Rep him every day without worrying about a bruise. And I've been to China, man, I seen some real persecution. If you didn't know Christ, would your life look the same? And they tell you value Jesus by the way you rep his name. Hey, what's the point of living if I'm living for myself? Lord, empty out out my life before I put you on the shelf. So for God I go hard, I don't wanna die tonight. But it's too many people living who ain't heard about the Christ.
Go home, 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 go home. Lord, use me, 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 go home, 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 go home. Lord, use me, 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 Lord, use me.
Went to Asia, had to duck and hide for sharing my faith. They tell me water it down when I get back to the States. They say tone the music down, you might sell a lot of records. But there's people out here dying and none of them heard the message. Took my wifey on a mission trip in Central America. Shared her testimony, 40 people stood and stared at her. When she said Jesus, should have seen it was insane. Cause 40 out of 40 never heard of Jesus' name. Oh man, we ain't focused on the war, we just kicking it. Worry about our image and our space up on the internet. Take me at the game, coach, I don't wanna play no more. If I can't give it all, I gotta leave it out there on the go. Thank you for the grace, for the will and the desire. Got me living for your glory instead of living to retire. But I pray I never tire of going off of Messiah. I don't need no motivation, you the reason I'm inspired.
Go home, 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 go home. Lord, use me, 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 go home, 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 go home. Lord, use me, 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 Lord. Let's get it. Go hard for the Lord, ain't it really take us home? Go hard for the Father, baby, go get it on. That's what that is, baby. That's what that mean. That's what that mean. That's what that is, baby. That's what that mean. That's what that mean. That's what that mean. That mean that we should be out up in the streets, not just in houses with our Bibles summarizing what we read. Man, this ain't deep. This ain't deep. While we ain't doing what we read, it's like we sleep. It's like we sleep. But sinners sleep off when they sleep, so why can't we? So why can't we? The redeemed of the Lord act out what he said and make a scene for the Lord. Action cut. Say whoa. Like we was the director, but you better get a grip like movie sets and get to stepping. I know you done it, done and heard it all. You was going hard for the Lord before you heard this song. But don't play yourself to stop yourself and walk in fear. Scriptures like a mirror, the truth is closer than it appears.